So, still building. Had a couple of pieces of fish. We still haven't eaten our lunch yet. They're trying to get as much work done as possible before they give us lunch, so that, because they know everybody's gonna get tired after they eat. So this is how they take the bricks upstairs. Put them on a stick and send them on up. A lot of people upstairs, they're doing the wiring and the cement.
Os caras se acabaram. Os caras ali morrendo, né? Embriagados. Do outro lado e outro pro outro. Amigo. É mesmo. Ou coisinha chata.